In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the parameter in Midjourney. By the end, you'll know how to set a seed so you can reproduce a look, compare variations confidently, and keep your creative experiments consistent. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This just gives us a quick and familiar starting point. In the search bar, type Midjourney and press enter. You'll see the official Midjourney website appear in the results. Click through to the Midjourney site to get to the interface where you can write and submit prompts. Once you're on the site, look for the prompt field. This is where you'll describe the image you want to generate and where you'll include the seed parameter. The seed controls the random starting point used to create your image. Think of it like setting a unique starting fingerprint. If you keep the prompt, the model version, and the seed the same, you'll get very similar compositions each time you generate. Change the seed, and you'll get a different arrangement and feel, even with the same description. Write your image description as you normally would. For example, you could describe a dramatic space scene with a fiery asteroid approaching Earth, with cinematic lighting and ultra-realistic detail. After your description, add the seed parameter with 2 dashes, then the word seed, followed by a number. It looks like this. Seed 84721. You can choose almost any whole number. The exact digits don't matter as much as using the same number again when you want to recreate the look. You can also include other optional flags to keep results consistent. Adding v6.0 locks the model version so your comparisons are fair, and R16:9 sets a widescreen aspect ratio. Putting it all together, a complete prompt might look like your detailed description, followed by seed 4721 v6.0 R16:9. A quick tip: make sure you type 2 standard hyphens before seed. Copying from some sources can accidentally insert a longer dash that won't work. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Midjourney will generate the image based on your description and the seed you provided. If you use that same seed later with the same prompt and settings, you can reliably return to a similar composition, which is perfect for refining lighting, colors, or small details without losing the overall structure. That's all there is to it. Using some seed gives you creative control and repeatability, making your workflow faster and more predictable while still leaving room for experimentation when you want it.